Hello everyone. So today I'm starting a new series called Synapse Developer Logs or Devlogs for short. And in this series I would be sharing all the technical details of Synapse up till this point. And yeah, let's get started. So if we check the Git history, this is a public repository by the way. You guys are free to contribute, raise any issues, pull requests, etc. So basically what Synapse is a collaborative learning hub. Basically it's a web-based platform for students. It combines various features from platforms like Reddit, Google Meet, Zoom, and creates like a social environment for students to study, understand, and collaborate in real time. That is one of our main unique selling points. We can also share resources. We can create study groups for reducing spam and promoting a healthy environment. We have integrated a reputation system. It's currently in development, not implemented entirely, and there are also social features like we can connect with other students, message them, post anything, and its stack is Next.js, LiveKit, and PostgreSQL, and Docker for deployment on AWS or DigitalOcean. Currently, it's hosted on Vercel. You guys can visit it on this URL. Okay, this is local. Synapse main. Yeah, this URL. So yeah, basically this much work is done. Users can post different types of images, videos. First, they have to be in a community, and in that community, they can create posts. These are the various types of posts: text, link, image, video, title, content. If image or video, we can upload it. Users can also create communities. Communities are basically like study groups for a particular niche. We have also borrowed some features from Discord like this members section, number of members online, communities, and we also have rooms which are a work in progress. Communities have community settings. We can create channels like Discord. We can promote, mute, or ban members, and we can also leave community. So this is our current implementation. It will be updated in future. And yeah, let's get started with the starting of this project. So as I said, this is a devlog, but I kind of forgot to start from the beginning. So I'll be summarizing what I've done in short using GitHub commits. So let's start from the beginning. Let's look at the commits. There are almost 43 commits until this point. And in some commits I've messed up. Some commits I've done a great job. We'll see them one by one. So first commit is create next app. This is the basic commit of Next.js. So if we go to get started, installation, you have to install next, create next app, and We can run it using npm or pnpm, and I've used TypeScript for it, so it has a better ecosystem than JSX, JavaScript. So I've used TypeScript. In this, basically this was the initial commit, nothing much. The actual fun begins from here, basic UI. So in basic UI, I have, let's just minimize all of this. I have added shared CN. So in this commit, I've added shared CN. Really cool component library built in TypeScript, and I've added this shared CN in this commit. And I've created a few pages like community page, dashboard, which was the main page, login, registers, and settings. And components are automatically generated, the UI ones, and these ones are created by me. So suppose you have login form, login into a Synapse account, email, password, or continue with. So if I'm not wrong, is the code running? Let me check. Okay, yeah, it is running. So if I go to localhost, let me log out. So this page and this page was created mainly. Dashboard and settings were not created until later commits. So yeah, this was a basic UI. Then I implemented basic email login. So for this I used Supabase. So if you guys don't know, it's a backend as a service. Let me sign in real quick. I think I signed it with GitHub. Yeah, Synapse Web. So basically it's a backend as a service. It provides all these cool features like database authentication, storage, edge functions, and real-time communication. For this email login, I've used authentication module. So users can log in. Oh, anyways, let me switch to my USB tethering for a minute. Because Wi-Fi will be a bit unreliable. So this is the authentication module. Basically, I implemented it for the login page, register page, in this commit. Components were added naturally. Yeah, so that was a basic UI commit. This one is the login commit, authentication TS. So the function is pretty straightforward. Suppose I want to sign up. I take parameters as form data, create a supervised client, then I take the credentials, username, email, password. I invoke the supervised auth functions. If there are any errors, it returns the errors. Else, if there is existing user with the same email, it gives the message, user with this email already exists, please log in. Else, if everything is right, it logs us in directly. Sign in is, it's in the name, sign in function. So take the data from form, invoke the function, if error return those errors, else return success and go to main home page. So yeah, that's basically the first devlog, and I'll be making more in the future. So thank you.